Hi guys, Ricardo here with another video helping your moving company grow. Sharing tips, showing some, guiding you on how to grow your business, get more moving jobs. So, if you're a moving company and your website is just sitting there with a few pages, a phone number, and just a quote form, you're losing traffic, you're losing leads, and more importantly, you're losing trust. Because today, content is not optional. This is not optional anymore. We are in 2026. It's the difference between a company that looks active and one that looks invisible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to content, how do marketing, and how to do it the right way, and how this can bring you more traffic, more leads, and more book jobs. So let's simplify this. Content is not just blogs. It's not just text. Content is everything. It's photos, videos, stories, job recaps, testimonial videos, and even simple updates. Every time you complete a move, you have content. You should have content. The problem is most moving companies don't use it, and that's huge. So why content matters? Search engines like Google don't just rank websites. They rank activity. So activity is the most important thing, or one of the most important things Google look at. So they want to see that your business is alive, consistent, and real. And customers want the same thing. If someone lands on your site and sees fresh content, recent jobs, real people, that builds trust instantly. So you can compare two websites, one that has stock photos, AI, and another one that has a crew smiling with uniforms or branded trucks. So that's an easy win. You're going to win that job if you have that in place. So now let's clear something up. Not all content is good content. A lot of moving companies go lazy route and they post cartoon animations, generic slide show videos, and stock images. That doesn't build trust. It actually does the opposite. If it makes your business feel fake. People can tell when something is real and when it's not. So if you want to do videos and instead of videos, you just compile a bunch of photos and put a song in the back, that is not going to work. That person is going to get frustrated because you just wasted their time watching a video that is just a bunch of photos and images or a cartoon or AI. So you have to be very authentic and real with these photos and videos. So what actually works is simple. Real jobs, real crews, real customers, real stories. Take pictures on every move. Not sometimes, every move. That alone can change your entire marketing. I'll show you a few examples right now. So here is a client, the Fresh Start, the moving crew, located in Worcester, Massachusetts. I'm sorry. Um, as you can see, a bunch of real photos. The truck right there looks great. A branded truck, uniforms. The guys right here picking up stuff, pianos, packing. Them smiling. You're professional. Okay, look at this. They do commercial too. Um, the boxes, and junk removal, more office moves, gun saves. Here, the owner, you probably will see him if you book with them. Branded boxes. So, a bunch of fresh content. This will help a lot. And this is the gallery. We will have a gallery for you if we start working with your company, of course. But even in the main page, homepage, you will see this a bunch of real content. So this is what's helping. Not again, not all content is good content. So another thing that I want to talk about regarding content, consistency wins every time. One post won't change your business, but 50 posts over time, now you're everywhere. Now, when someone searches your company, they see proof, activity, and experience. And that's what gets you chosen. So, here's where most companies miss a huge opportunity. This what I'm about to tell you. They post a photo and that's it. No context, no story. That's a waste. Humans are wired for stories, beginning, middle, and end. So instead of just posting a picture, tell what happened. You can show recent moves. You can show a slideshow. We can help you with that. So that's one option that can help you win that job too. So here on this page, you will see an example of this. Uh, Name of company, your company just completed Alicia's local move. She moved from X location to Y location in Wyoming. And it was a 4 bedroom move with two oversized items at 800-pound gun safes and an antique furniture bureau. Cameron and Keith got the job, blah, blah, blah. So that will get you more engagement and it will build trust. So again, humans love stories. You have to tell stories with pictures. That will be great. That will get you better engagement and will help turn traffic into leads more easily. When people read that, they imagine themselves in that situation. They think, okay, that could be me. Now your content is doing what it's supposed to do, turning viewers into customers. Now let's talk about strategy. This is not about social media. This should live on your website. Every story, every job, every post. It's an opportunity to rank on Google. You can create pages targeting service plus location. For example, local move in Houston, local move in Miami, local move in New Jersey, local move in Boston. Same with apartment move, office relocation, and attach a real story to these pages. So now imagine the possibility that is out there. For every single page combination of location and service, you will have a story right there. So that shows that you have experience. That increases just your chances of showing up when Google, when people search on Google. Another thing most companies ignore is internal linking. When you write about a job, link it to your service pages, link it to your local pages, to your location pages. I'm sorry. This helps SEO and keeps people on your website longer. So if this feels overwhelming, and I know it does, because we are changing the marketing strategies everywhere. Um, Start simple. So step one, take a picture on every job. Take pictures of every job. Step two, write 2 4 sentences describing what happened, and we will help you putting that on your website. And also social media if that's the case. You don't need perfection. You don't need you don't need perfection. You need consistency on this. Once you get comfortable, add videos. You don't need a production crew. You don't need professional photography or videography. Um, just documenting the job. Possibly, if possible, get a testimonial video. Talk to the camera um, before and after, quick clips. You can even upload those to YouTube for additional exposure, and we will help you with that. You just send it to us, and we will do it for you with description, tags, and everything. We can even run ads for it if it looks good. At the end of the day, two moving companies can have the same reviews, the same price, and the same services. Your competitors must be the same, like I'm around the same amount of reviews, I'm the same around the same pricing, the same services, but the one with real consistent content will always win because it shows they care, they are active, and they are trustworthy. If you're not doing this yet, you're not behind, but you need to start now. This is very important. So If you need help with all this, please, you can give us a call right here on this page. You can see the phone number at the top. You can fill out our form. I'll be calling you the next 10 minutes to schedule a meeting so we can talk about strategy. I will take a look at your company and help you win more jobs in the first 30 days. Remember, the first 30 days, you will get more business with all this movers boost system that we have been perfectioning every single day, every single month. We are adding more benefits, more features. Again, thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.